Once you have discovered resources that you would like to use in your lessons, you can use the lesson feature to collate the resources into one space, ready for sharing with your children. You can create lessons by class name or by topic, and add to them over time as you discover new resources.
Remember, this facility allows you to use the resources in your teaching in any way you like, with the whole class, in the classroom in pairs or groups, on iPads or laptops, or you could ask the students to have a go at home.
First, find the resource you like. In the preview screen, you can play it yourself or add it to a lesson for the children to use. Click Add to Lesson and name the lesson, or add the resource to a lesson you've already made. If you go to My Lessons and find the one you've just created, you can click the Share Lesson button and copy the pin access code. You could write this on the board and ask the children to write the code down in their home learning journals, print out the pin onto labels, share it with your VLE learning platform, or email it to the children, whatever suits you in your class. Now you can share this with the children and ask them to go to the Twinkl Go site by searching for Twinkl Go on Google. Then, log in with the pin by pasting or typing the numbers into the boxes. This is what the children will see once they log in, and they can click through the resources to complete each one. To get you started and see what your children will see, use the code JB0924 to access the lesson of resources pictured in this video. For more information on Twinkl Go, you can get in touch with the schools team through the main Twinkl website.